Moving on, the Fire and Rescue Department received 30 new fire rescue tender engines with 60 million ringgit to enhance its operational capabilities. Housing and Local Government Minister Nga Kok Ming said the vehicles were acquired through a public-private people partnership initiative to replace aging fire engines over 20 years old with more advanced and efficient units.
Kita hari ini dapat 30 buah kereta bomba canggih bernilai 60 juta. Hasil kerjasama strategik antara Jabatan Bomba Penyelamat Malaysia dan juga negara China atas hasil perbincangan rundingan antara Perdana Menteri PMX Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim dan juga Premier Lee Chiang sempena lawatan rasmi Premier Lee Chiang ke negara kita pada tahun lepas.
He said this after the handing over ceremony of the fire engines and Opsiaga Raya 2026 on Monday. Also present were Chinese Ambassador to Malaysia Wu Yang Yu-jin and Fire and Rescue Department Director General Datuk Nur Hisham Mohamad. Earlier in his speech, Nga said the cooperation model pioneered by the department had set a new benchmark for government procurement, particularly in cost management and a more efficient procurement timeframe. The Fire and Rescue Department has frozen leave for 80% of its personnel to ensure maximum readiness during the Chinese New Year period.
Mulai hujung minggu ini, di mana seluruh anggota bomba lebih 15,000 dah bersiap sedia untuk pastikan pencegahan kebakaran itu dijalankan dengan susun, teratur dan berkesan. Di mana cuti 80% anggota bomba akan dibekukan minggu ini sehingga selesai musim perayaan Tahun Baru Cina.
The measure was implemented to ensure fire prevention and emergency response operations during the celebrations are conducted in an organized, systematic and effective manner.